Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video it is sponsored by Gleamin, and they've sent me their vitamin C clay mask, which also contains turmeric and aloe vera, to try out, do a review, and of course give my honest opinion. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. So on the sides of this packaging you will see what you can achieve by using this clay mask, and that will be to achieve an instant bare-faced glow. This transformative blend of superfood ingredients helps even out skin tone and fade dark spots. The result is dewy, radiant skin that brings out the best in you. You will also find the instructions on how to use this clay mask. Now, to use this product, you will have to cleanse your skin and then use the brush provided to apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. The second step will be to allow 10 minutes for the mask to fully dry. And at the end, you will have to gently rinse with warm water and pat dry using a soft, clean towel. And finally, you have a bunch of ingredients that you can check out if you want. So this product, it is vegan and cruelty-free, and it comes in 60 grams. And the price for it is 34.95 euros, as you can see on their homepage. You will also find some other great products that you can try out and combine with your skincare routine by using this clay mask by Gleamin. So it comes like this, in this cute little yellow jar with black letters. I just love this color combination. And it also contains a super cute little brush that you can use to apply your mask all over the face, and it comes also in this beautiful yellow color with black letters on it. So here on the jar you have again the instructions, and as I said before, it is a cruelty-free and vegan product. Okay, so when you open the cap, then you have a protective shield. So here it is. It has like this yellowish mustard color, and it smells very vegan. No, I mean, it has like this typical scent, you know, of turmeric and, you know, all these kind of super food things, if that makes any sense. I have no idea what I'm saying, but anyways, so I'm going to be trying this out. So I will take this little brush and take some of the mask, and then I will apply it all over my face, and I am making sure, obviously, to avoid my eye area.
I'm falling for your cheap tricks, baby, I see you. You've been talking all this bullshit, darling, I hear it. I'm falling for your cheap tricks, baby, I see you. You've been talking all this bullshit, darling, I hear it.
Okay, so now I will leave this one for about 10 minutes and I'll be right back.
Bullshit, bullshit, down in my head. I'm falling for you.
Okay, so the 10 minutes are off, and as you can see, the mask is fully dry. So it is time to take it off, and I will use a cloth. Okay, so it's super hard to keep like a cute face when you clean this off, but anyways, I cannot always be cute. I can't do this.
It's strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moon, like that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you.
Okay, so my face is now clean. Obviously, I do need to try this product a few more times to be sure that these blemishes also stay for a long period of time away. They also say to use this mask for about 2-3 times a week. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So if you guys want to know, the whole progress of it, then make sure you follow me on Instagram, because this is where I will be posting all my updates. And also make sure you follow Gleamin as well. They have this cute page on Instagram and as well on Facebook and Twitter. So yeah, this was my review on this vitamin C clay mask by Gleamin. I will be definitely trying this product more often, obviously, because it is cruelty-free and vegan, and you guys know that we love this kind of products here on this channel. So if you want to see more reviews and just more videos like this one, please do let me know in the comment section below. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will really help me, and I do hope to see you guys on my next video. And as I said, if you guys want to know more about this product and how it helps my skin, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!